Belly fat is the most unhealthy, stubborn fat. People with belly fat are at a high risk of heart disease, diabetes, stroke and certain cancers. That is why you must change your lifestyle and start exercising. In today's video, we are going to show you 6 simple exercises to lose belly fat at home for beginners. Now, before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. So let's get started. Number 1. Donkey kicks. The traditional execution of this exercise is the best for beginners. Donkey kicks are a great exercise for targeting the belly fat. Get down on floor with your hands directly below your shoulders and knees directly below your hips. Your back should be flat, your neck neutral. Keeping your arms straight, core engaged and knees bent 90 degrees. Raise your right knee off the floor and press the sole of your right foot up toward the ceiling. Squeeze your right glute as hard as you can at the top of the movement. Reverse the move, lowering your right knee to the starting position. Repeat for 20 to 25 times, making sure to perform an equal number with each leg. Number 2. Battle rope. If you want to burn fat at a much faster rate, then battle rope exercise can get you the results. Stand tall, sideways onto where the rope ends are fixed, holding the other ends of the ropes in each hand with your hands together. Move your hands in a big circle clockwise in front of your body for 12 reps. Then do 12 reps anti-clockwise. Turn around and then repeat. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. Number 3. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a calorie-burning exercise which helps to reduce belly fat. To perform this, hold the rope while keeping your hands at hip level. Then rotate your wrists to swing the rope and jump. Jump with both feet at the same time. Repeat this for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 4. Plank to downward dog. This exercise is great for posture and burns calories effectively. Begin in a kneeling position on your mat with hands directly under shoulders, fingers spread wide. Then tuck your toes under and engage your abdominals as you push your body up off the mat so only your hands and feet are on the mat. Press through your hands, moving your chest gently toward your thighs and your heels gently toward the floor. Relax your head and neck and breathe fully. There are no rules for how long you should hold each pose. Do what feels right. Number 6. Stationary lunge. Stationary lunges work several muscle groups at once. While holding dumbbells to your sides, stand tall with your feet hip distance apart, then take a large step backward with one foot. This is your start position. Lower the back knee to a 90-degree angle so both knees are bent, then press up to start position and repeat. You should aim to do 3 to 4 sets, hitting around 10 or 12 repetitions for each leg. Here we end up for today. Which one of these exercises do you prefer most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.